Hi friends, welcome back to the YouTube education. Now we will do one more sum of method number 2. Here the last question was question number 14 and now we'll do the question number 16. So ready for that? Open your books or just see that the means of the large samples of size 500 and 1000. It means two means are given, large samples are given 500 and 1000 and the means are given 66.5 and 67.5. Can the samples be regarded as drawn from the same population of standard deviation 2.5 inches? It means SD is given but single SD is given here. So how we'll do this? So first of all start with the step 1, parameters and statics. So parameters and statics. In parameters and statics, what we should here in the method number 2, n1, n2, x bar 1, x bar 2 and sigma 1, sigma 2. Okay, so n1 and n2 are given. Small n1 is 500, small n2 is given 1000, x bar 1 is given 66.5 and x bar 2 is given 67.5, but sigma is given only 1, so we will take this for the both sigma 1 and sigma 2. Okay, thus in this way our information is completed and now we will start the next step, step 2, that is about hypothesis. So hypothesis means what? So hypothesis S0, H1 can be there, x bar 1 is equal to x bar 2 and x bar 1 does not equal to x bar 2. Then step 3 is there. What does our step 3 says? It is says to find out the difference between two means. It means x bar 1 minus x bar 2. X bar 1 is 66.5 minus x bar 2 is 67.5 is there. So how much will get there? 1. It is always positive, it cannot be written minus negative value. Then S is standard error. Standard error will be sigma 1 square upon n1, sigma 2 square upon n2 and then square root of the whole. Then sigma 1 is 2.5, sigma 2 is 2.5, so write down there 2.5 square, n1 is 500, so write down upon 500 plus same sigma 2 is 2.5, square of that and then the 1000 will be there. So 2.5 का स्क्वायर हम करेंगे तो हमारे पास में आएगा 6.25 upon 500, then again 6.25 divided by 1000. So 6.25 will be divided by 500, so 6.25 will be divided by 500. So how much will get there? 0.0125 plus 6.25 is divided by 1000, 0.00625. Add both of them and just find out our standard error. So plus 0.0125 is equal to, you will get such, and then root of that is 0.1369 will be there. Now what? Step 5, ZCal. ZCal is difference upon SE. So difference upon SE means what? So difference is given here 1 and our SE is 0.1369 is there. So just divide 1 divide by 0.1369, you can find there 7.30 or 31 you can write down. Okay, after then you have to compare ZCal with the Z tab at any of the level. This will be rejected because our 1% level 2.58 is allowed and 5% 1.96 is allowed, but here is Zcal 7.30 at 1% 2.58 at 1% level of significance. Okay, so it is greater. If it is greater, then S0 is rejected. Thus our test case has been clear. If you have any query, if you want to do such type of sums, you can try question number 15 as homework type. 15, 17, 18, 19, next 20 can be done with this method. 21, any of the sum you can try. Leave 20, 21. Okay. So 123 can be done with this method, but this is enough for you. You can do this. And you find any query, you can ask me